Thank you for being here, and here I am with another video. What am I going to do on this video is just add, the customer want me to add like a handle on the passenger side from post. If you are going to do something like this or similar, you have to have two things very important. First one, you have to be positive. If you start taking apart, you must be able to finish, put everything back. And then you have to add the right tool. In case if you don't have the right tool, you are not going to able to finish this job. This is a 2014 Dodge, and what am I gonna do right here? The customer want me to add like a handle on the passenger side front post. He want me to add a handle in there. I going to add him on there. I already figure out how to add it. I haven't taken apart, but I already figure out. I just to see it and make sure that handle, I remove the handle that it was there, I remove it to put them on the front post, passenger side. I going to see if I am able to drill a hole. I am pretty sure I can drill a hole, but here's the thing. The airbag is around that area. So I have to make sure that the handle is not going to interference with the function of the airbag. In case if this car is involved in an accident, the airbag should come out not from there, should come out from right there. See, say airbag in there, so that means there is an airbag on the headliner. The airbag is from right there all the way to the back. So make sure if you going to drill a hole, there are some cable, and don't drill a hole on those cables because you will be in trouble. I'm going to remove this plastic first. See that plastic? There is a clip holding that plastic. I know it is hard for you to see what I'm doing, but there is a clip holding that plastic. It is a black clip. You just need like a door panel, like a clip removing tool to remove that one. So I had the handle right here. See the black cable that is next to the handle that I am having on my hand? There is a black cable. Don't make a hole on that cable because that cable is part of the airbag. So you don't want to mess with the airbag. In case if you ruin that cable, the airbag is expensive. Airbag in car are expensive, so expensive. Insurance always complaining about the airbag, why the airbag is so expensive. And just be careful. So now I am drill a hole in there, because I already mark where the hole are going to be. But this metal, it is so hard. It is hard. I am using a new drill bit, 1A. And I am using like an angle drill. That way it is easy for me to drill a hole in there. Because if I use the screw gun with the drill bit or a drill, it is hard. Even it is like a I can do it because that space in there plus the glass will be on the way, so I can do. I have to use like an angle drill bit, angle drill with the drill bits, 1A drill bit. I drilled the hole already. Now I am going to see if I can put this screw with the drill gun. Even I drilled the hole already, but it is hard to put that screw in there. Now I have to punch where the other hole are going to be. And I mark it already. Okay, the mark is there, so now I'm going to drill a hole. I'll remove this handle. I don't need it anymore. I will need it later, but not right now. Right now it's going to be on the way. After I remove the handle, I am drilling the hole. And that metal, it is hard, so I already replaced the drill bits. The drill bit that I am using are a good drill bits, are American drill bits. Are expensive, but those one are good. So another drill bit, as soon as they get hot, sometimes they break. But the hole is there already. I already made the hole. So after I'm done with the hole, I'm going to put 2 screws. That's what I'm doing, putting 2 screws. And I'm going to leave those screws. The length of those 2 screws are 2 inches. I just put 1 inch in on both screws, because I need to mark that plastic from behind. You see I am hitting because I want to make sure the direction of those holes that I just drilled. And I will see a mark on that plastic. If I don't see the mark, I will pull a little bit out those screws until I get the mark. The 2 screws are right there where those white circles are. There are the 2 screws, 2 inch long, 1 inch is in and the other inch is out. See, I put a mark on those screws because I need to get that mark on that plastic. I put a mark with chalk. Now I will hit that plastic, and right there I should be able to see that mark on the plastic, because I need to drill a hole on the plastic too. And there is one mark, I can see it clearly. I don't know, you can see him on there. So it should be 2 marks. I am pulling this screw a little bit out. I need to get that mark. I just get one, and I need to get the other mark. Right there. Okay, now I think I got the 2 mark. There is one. Now I'm going to drill a hole in the plastic. To drill this hole, you have to know the weight of the plastic, because a plastic, it has to get inside there. You have to know the size. By knowing the size, you're going to drill the hole. Don't drill the hole without knowing the size, because if you make the hole too big, that you will be able to see the hole through it. The plastic is not going to cover the hole. If you make the hole too small, the plastic is not going to go in. So I got the 2 mark already. I'm going to use this. This is for wood, but this will work perfectly on here. The radius of this socket that I'm using to drill the hole is 3/4. And right there, you can see the hole in there. So the plastic, it has to go inside there. And I drill the other hole. I got the 2 holes already, and you can see him on there. So now it is time to remove this screw and put the plastic back on with the handle on top. Make sure to get the right screw. These are 1/8 by 1.5 inches. And not a good screw that I want what I am using. Stainless steel. So I am putting this plastic trim and making sure to get on the right spot. I have to hold that plastic with that click behind. Just make sure to do it. Most of the posts have like a dark click, have like a something behind, The function of that click is in case of an accident, the airbag will explode and you don't want that plastic to come and hit your face or hit your head. That click will hold it. But on this case, the airbag is not on that part. That's good. That's why I am putting that handle on there. If the airbag is behind that plastic, I can't put the handle in there. No. But it's not there. That's why I am putting that handle. So you have to be careful when you drill a hole, especially in there. First thing that you have to check if the airbag is on there. If there is an airbag in there, don't drill nothing, don't touch it. You will get in trouble. You can go even to jail if you drill a hole in there. It is illegal to put something on there if the airbag is behind there. Even if the airbag is on there, there is a sign, a plastic, where it say airbag. So stay away from that. Don't drill nothing. That handle is there and it's tight, so I just put the plastic and you can see him on there. And let's see how everything look at the end. And there is. It is done, my friend. Look like original, huh? But it's not. It's not original. It wasn't there original. I just put them on there. The customer want me to put them on there. I remove it from the back, from the middle section, and I put that one on there. It is strong. I just tied a little bit because it was loose, but it is strong. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. This is just an idea. Sometimes we have to do things that are not doesn't belong to upholstery, but are related. Like in this case, he took it to the body shop, and the body shop sent it to me, and I just drilled a hole and put them on there. Took me like 45 minutes to do it. And you need a tool. You have to be positive in case we want to do something like this. So thank you, and see you in the next video.